Hey everyone, welcome to Snorkel's Toolbox. I'm Jamie Graham and I'll be taking you on the platform tour. You can click the link below to follow along. The platform is a major advancement in Snorkel online parts ordering. It's something we've never had before and we've really come a long way. The advantage of the platform is that we've got all of our books fully remediated back 15 plus years so that you can go and look in a parts manual. It's printable, it's downloadable, pages or the whole book. You can find the part you want. You can now order those parts online without any extra effort through the platform interface and through our main website. In addition to that, on this site, we include all of the bulletins from the history of Snorkel. From day one, the mid-70s, when Snorkel was born, all of those, every bulletin that's ever been issued in the life of Snorkel is on this site. So if you find an old machine, if you're working on an old machine for a customer, if you buy a machine from an auction, if you have a customer who wants you to come fix their unit, you can look back at anything that has happened in the past and have instructions on how to do it. To sign into the platform, you either use the link that says sign in the upper left-hand corner or the sign in box in the right-hand middle of the screen. Once you click on this, you just add your email address and the password you set up when your account was created and click sign in. This will take you into your account. If you haven't been assigned credentials yet, you can select create an account to make a new account. Once logged in, if you know the part number that you're looking for, you can type it directly into the search box. I'll be using a toggle switch for the purpose of this test. Once you type the part number in, click the magnifying glass or hit enter, it will bring you up to the parts page. You can click the description for additional information, which will show you the quantity in stock as well as the price. From there, all you do is click add to cart. You'll see this message that says it's confirmed your shopping cart. Likewise, you can click the shopping cart and see that it's in there. Once you populated your cart with parts, you can click the shopping cart icon to place your order. You click proceed to checkout. This will take you to your address screen. From the drop-down menu, you can select any address that you have previously loaded, or you can click new address and enter a new address at that time that will go right into the system and be saved for future orders. If you click the next button, you go to the final screen that shows the company. You need to enter a purchase order number into this screen. You need to enter your shipping preference, for example, UPS, Next Day Air, and any other order comments that you might have. For example, ship with purchase order. If you wanted to ship with another order. Now you'll also note if this is a multiple part order, there's a ship complete box here. What that means is that if you click that, no parts will ship until all the parts are there to ship. So if there's a back order, the entire order would be held until that final part arrived. This is to alleviate multiple shipments if you are concerned for that. So once you've got that information entered, you can click place order here. If you decide that there's something you want to add back to your cart, you can click the continue shopping button at this point. Once you click place order, this order will be delivered to our parts department at the appropriate site, and you'll receive a confirmation email showing that the order is in the system. So to find the tracking number for your shipment, you will be sent an email first of all, but if you have to go back to the system to check it, you can look in your My Account page here, you're seeing this, and you can look at your orders. You can click here for My Orders, or you can see your recent orders down here. If you click on My Orders, it lists your entire order history. For example, this order, 00033, is a complete order that's already been invoiced and shipped. If you click View Order, you can click this segment right here that says Track Your Order. If you click on that, it will pull up the tracking number, which you'll be able to click on and then find out where your shipment is. If you're looking for the invoice for a shipment, at this time it will not be available online. It's a future improvement. But to request this invoice, you can do it either by phone with the order number, or you can go to your My Account page, click on Orders, click on View Order, and click on Invoices. Then when you click Request Invoice, it sends an email directly to the order processing staff that will then email a hard copy of your invoice directly to you. You click the button, you'll see that your request has been submitted, and you can expect a return on that within the next hour or two. The best advantage of the platform is the technical publications library that includes operators manuals, parts manuals, bulletins, and any supporting documentation for any unit you may have. If you go to your My Account page and click Technical Publications, this takes you to the platform interface that has parts manuals for all current units. These are fully interactive parts manuals. It has parts manuals for legacy machines that are before 2001, maintenance manuals for models, documentation by machine type where you can select the model based on the style of machine, whether it's a scissor or a boom, operators manuals for all units, any service bulletin that's been issued for safety or just a communication bulletin. If you pick up a machine from an auction or a resale, you can verify for sure any and all bulletins that have been issued for that machine over the past 25 years. It has all the pre-delivery inspection reports as well as any international certifications and standards, recommended spare parts lists, hydraulic and electrical schematics, and warranty information. To access any of these items, you just click on the thumbnail and you select your model that's in sequential order. Or you can do the same thing by using the search box by model. It will bring up all items. To review the standard policy and procedures for the parts department, if you go to your My Account page, scroll down to the bottom, you can click the Parts Policies and Procedures link. It will talk about working hours. It will show you the different categories for parts that can be ordered, as well as the parts order forms, order cancellation criteria, stock order criteria, and any additional parts discounting information. This also includes a listing of returnable parts and parts return processing, as well as in-depth information on Snorkel warranty policy for parts specific. So we've brought our business into the 21st century. We've got a new website that has every ounce of detail you could ever want. We've got a new interactive platform that has every ounce of technical detail you might ever want. So you've got the sales side at your fingertips as well as the service side. It includes all the warranty information and parts information, and we're really proud of it and excited to see what you guys think. So as you take the opportunity to look through the platform, I would welcome any feedback, positive or negative, directly to myself via the email address you see on the screen, or each screen has a link that you can click that will take that information directly to the platform administration team. So that's how you navigate the platform. You can use the link below to start ordering online parts immediately. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for more helpful toolbox tips in the future. See you next time.